What if one simple food could heal your gut, boost your immune system, fight inflammation, even slow aging? Stick around, because this natural powerhouse is probably already in your kitchen. The food, raw, organic honey. Not the processed, sugary stuff in plastic bears, but the real deal. For thousands of years, honey has been called liquid gold in ancient cultures, and modern science is finally catching up. Packed with antioxidants, enzymes, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory compounds, raw honey isn't just sweet, it's therapeutic. Here's what happens when you consume a spoonful of raw honey daily. Soothes the gut, coats your digestive lining, and feeds good bacteria. Fights inflammation. Those antioxidants reduce oxidative stress, which is at the root of aging and disease. Boosts immunity. Its antibacterial power helps fight colds, infections, and even supports your respiratory system. It improves sleep. Taken before bed, it stabilizes blood sugar and promotes melatonin release, your natural sleep hormone. And yes, it unlike refined sugar, honey won't spike your blood sugar as fast thanks to its complex structure. Quick pause if you're finding this valuable. Hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips backed by ancient wisdom and real science. Your support helps spread natural healing. So how do you actually use honey to maximize its healing powers? Morning detox drink. Mix a teaspoon with warm lemon water for a gentle liver cleanse. Gut healing tonic. Add it to apple cider vinegar or ginger tea. Immune boost. A spoonful with crushed garlic works wonders during flu season. Skin healer. Apply it directly to cuts, burns, or even acne. Its antibacterial properties help skin regenerate fast. Just make sure it's raw and unfiltered, ideally local or from a trusted source. Heat destroys the enzymes, so never add it to boiling water. Now, a quick warning, raw honey isn't for everyone. Infants under 1 year should not consume honey due to the risk of botulism. If you're diabetic, consult your doctor first and monitor your response. Even healthy sugar can be overdone, so moderation is key. To recap, honey isn't just a sweet treat, it's a powerful healer. It nourishes your gut, strengthens your immune system, fights aging, and supports deep sleep. 1 spoon a day can truly go a long way. Comment honey if you're adding honey to your routine starting today. And don't forget, subscribe for more natural health videos that put the power back in your hands. Your body knows how to heal, you just have to feed it the right stuff.